Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 125PS 330 Trend Front-Wheel Drive L1 High Roof needs turbo. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 179,162. MOT, the 10th of April 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine but the turbo needs replacing. Nice simple turbo replacement job, then someone will get a great rare high-top custom in excellent condition starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199973.